Rewards. Seekler.com paid advertising division, where our premium affiliates can earn daily profit sharing awards on every VIP bid the customer buys and every Zeek sample bid given away to their customers through the Zeek Rewards retail profit pool. There are 6 incredible income streams available through Zeek Rewards, backed by a 14-year-old rock-solid company with an eye for the latest trends in both shopping and home-based business. Zeek Rewards has created a program that appeals to every level of entrepreneur. So if you're looking for a home-based business that really works, Zeek Rewards offers you an opportunity to create whatever income and lifestyle you desire. For more information, send me an email at KarenOBull@yahoo.com. That's KarenOBull@yahoo.com.
Cool.